Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your fuel pump control module. We're going to go ahead and start off by moving our passenger seat all the way forward so we can go ahead and identify our battery. Before we do that, let's go ahead and open up our tailgate, because once the power is all gone, we are not going to be able to do that. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and come to the bottom side of the passenger seat. We're going to go ahead and remove our floor AC cover that exposes our battery. We're going to go ahead and remove our battery with a 10mm. I like to go ahead and cover up my terminal, make sure it doesn't touch anything while we work. Then we're going to go ahead and come up to the back. We're going to go ahead and remove this cover, exposing our spare tire and all of its hardware. We're going to go ahead and remove that center cap to be able to take our tire out. Now we're going to go ahead and lift our tire all the way out. As well as all of our spare tire hardware. It's going to have 4 tabs. For some reason, this vehicle didn't have them already. So we're going to go ahead and remove this inner lining, which is going to expose our fuel pump control module on the top right corner. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and just pop this cover up and off. And we're going to go ahead and disconnect 1 and 2 connectors. Using our 10mm, we're going to go ahead and remove these plastic screws that are holding onto our module. We're going to go ahead and save those for later for reinstallment as well. Now we go ahead and get our new module, inspect it, make sure everything is up to par and looks exactly like the old one. And simply just place it in the same position. Go ahead and add your black plastic screws. And tighten those down. And now we're going to connect our connectors. 1 and connector 2. And don't forget your module cover. Just simply align it and go ahead and push down to hear it fasten. Now we're ready to reinstall our battery terminal. Go ahead, just align it, push it down. And using our 10mm, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up. And we are good to go.